Hi guys, greetings from me to you all, wherever you are. Now today, still on our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your pictures and then 3D effects to your tests and some of your works. Now, this is our Photoshop software open in our system. Remember, you have to just go to File from the menu bar. You go to File, you click New. When you click New, it's gonna get to your place where you're gonna choose your, what you're gonna work with. Now we have international paper. Then we'll set whatever we need to set, the centimeter, the millimeter, whatever the size. Now you click OK. It gets to your A4 paper. Now you click on Create New Layer from your layer board. Remember, if you don't have your layer board here, you just click on F7 from your keyboard, or you go to Window from the menu bar so that you can be able to get your layer board. Now you create new layer. It's gonna get you your layer 1. Now let's get our picture. You click from the file from the menu bar. You click Open. When you click Open, it's gonna get you where your storage this thing is. Now let's choose any picture from here. Then let's just choose the one that is going to be more visible when we are applying the effects, the filter. Let's choose this. Now we got this picture. Now it's opened on its own on the background. So we have to use our marquee tool. We have to go to our tools and then get the rectangular marquee tool. We'll use it to highlight this picture. We use it to highlight it, and then we copy it. Then we go back to our first title, our layer 1. We go there, we paste it there. We paste it there. Now we've pasted it. We just need to, increase the size. Control T for transformation. Now we increase the we scale it anyway. We scale it, increase the size, so we can be able to see what we're doing. Increase the size. Now we've increased the size. You just click enter for the transformation sign to go out. Now here we are. All you have to do is just go to filter from the menu bar. Click on the filter. You're gonna see a lot of options. So whatever you want to apply to this picture, you have to apply. If you apply it, it's gonna show as soon as possible. Just apply it, it will just the effect will take place. Now let's just look for kind of something to apply here, a filter to apply an effect. Now let's apply distort. From distort, it's going to show you so many options. Now from distort, we have wave. We have so many options. Ripple, anyone we have. Okay, let's just apply ripple. Now if you click on anyone, it's gonna show you how it's gonna appear on your work. You have to first see it because it's on preview already. Now you click OK. If you want that one, you click OK. It's gonna apply to your work. But if you don't need that one, anyone you want, you just go to your filter, choose the one you want, choose it, like choose wave. You click on it, it's gonna show you how it's going to appear. If you click OK, definitely it will just apply to your work. You just give it a second to load. It's gonna apply to your work. Anyone you want, you just choose your filter, choose anyone you want, then it's gonna appear. Now let's choose render. We go to render. We use lighting effect. Lighting effects. This is a bit different from okay, let's just go back a bit. It's still loading. I think it's taking time, but just know that this is how the filter works. If you want to apply filter, you just go to filter, then choose the from the options you want, and then it's gonna apply definitely. Now this is the render. From render we got to lighting effect. Now this is it. It's showing here. This is lighting effect. Now if we click OK, it's gonna apply. But let's just check the point. You make some you do some settings here. The color that you want it to appear, you choose the color. Let's choose something like purple. Just this is taking time, man. So you choose purple, you click OK, and like you see, it's already applying. Now you kind of check these options here, any which way you want it to apply. This lighting effect, if you want it to be pointing, it will be pointing. If you want it to be spot, if you want it to be infinite, so anyone you want it, let's just make it infinite. So anyone you want it to apply, it will apply. So if we click OK, we have applied that lighting effect. Now this is it. So this is how it is for the filters. So whatever you want to apply in your work, you can apply it here. Now let me quickly go to this is taking time. Let me quickly go to 3D effects. Now we're gonna be applying this effect in our test. Let me just get a new layer. Let's open a new. So we are gonna be applying it to our tests. Definitely you can still apply it to any of your work, but let's just be quick. We just apply it to our text. Now we get our new layer 2. I'll just have to quickly, let's get our text tool. You just click on text tool, you bring it here, you click, let's just type UNI. Now let's increase the size. UNI. Yeah, because it's all about UNI. It's not just about me. It's always and will forever be about you and I. That is what the word is meant for. Now you click enter, the transformation sign will go out. Now you from layer, you go to layer style. From layer style, there are so many options here, blending options. So in these options, you just click bevel and emboss, whichever one you choose. But if you click on bevel and emboss, it will bring you the other options down. So you click on it. Now when you click on it, you're gonna see so many options here. So these options, whatever you want to apply to your text, it's going to apply there. And always make sure that it's on preview so that you can be able to see it while it's applying, so that you can be able to know when you are okay with the one that has been applied. Now let's apply stroke on this text. If you click on the stroke, you're going to notice some changes. Now if you go a bit by the left, by the right, you will see the size. If you want to increase the size of the stroke, it's coming. You're seeing it. It's applying on the work. Now, if you want to soften it, there are so many options. Now, there is a one that we call gloss contour. So, if you want to, the effect to look the way you want the effect to look, you just have to go to gloss contour. You check it. You click. Anyone you're clicking, it's applying already. So if you choose anyone you choose, then it's gonna apply the one you like or the one you love. Now you're gonna click OK. Now we still have color overlay. You click on color overlay. Now it's gonna bring you this color, this red color, mixed with the stroke which we have already applied. Now let's remove the color overlay. Then let's go to gradient overlay. Gradient, it's always a black and white because it's what I set here. So this is it. Anything you want to apply, if you want to drop shadow, if you want it to be kind of one shadow to be on it, now you have to check the size. If you want to check you have to check the size. Now then if you want inner glow, inner shadow, inner glow, any part of effect, any kind of effect you want to apply, you just put it there. Now you make sure that it's applying. Now always remember this shadow model, this sorry, 1 minute, this shadow mode, it's always have to be on normal. Click on it and make sure it's on normal so that whatever you're applying can be able to have effects very well. So this is it. This is the where you have to stylize your text to make it the way you want it to appear on your work. If you want the direction of whatever you're applying to be upward, it is. If you want it to be downward, you set it down. The depth, if you want it to be thick, you have to check it. If you want it to be soft, so if you want it to be the technique, if you want it to be chisel hard, you make it. If you want it to be smooth, you make it. If you want it to be chisel soft, you make it. There are so many options there. The style, if you want it to be inner, if you want it to be embossed, if you want it to be pillar embossed, so anyone you want, you just have to apply it and it's gonna show you what it has. So this is it. Let's just click OK. This is it. So this is what we we typed earlier, you and I, and now this is the outcome. So anyone you want to apply, whichever way you want to apply it, so this is how it works in Photoshop. I hope this video will I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tonelo AJ. I look forward to seeing you guys. Catch you.